They will talk about how to fix or how to solve CapCut on how to fix or how to solve grayed out on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve grayed out on CapCut, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to CapCut and you can click in this window here. And you can go to this app. Here we'll enter the first app and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we can click clear cache. But in the end, you can go to storage. And you can clear your cache on storage if it's not working with you.